Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a clickable link or button to your Canva designs. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Canva website and sign into your account. I'm going to search on Canva for PDF, and we're just going to use one of the templates here. So let's go to Suggested Templates. We'll click See All, and we'll grab one here. Let's say we're going to edit this landscape photography PDF. Now, obviously, you would have your PDF or document ready. Once you're inside of your mockup, what you want to do is create the contents of the PDF, then go to Text and add some text. I'm going to recommend here Best Camera for Beginners. Now I can zoom in and make it bigger and adjust this on our PDF. Right now, what I'm going to do is select this text and first change the font to this one here. I'm also going to drag this up. Now, what I'm going to do is click on it, go to Effects, and here on Effects, what you can do is add a background. So if you click on Background here, you can then increase the roundness. You can create this text and make it look like a button. If you increase the spread here, you can also change the size and color of the button. So maybe we want the button to be black and the text to be white. So now we've got our button and we need to redirect it somewhere. If we click on this and then click on these three dots and click on this link option, and now we can enter in a link. So let's say I now wanted to link a product, and I'm going to link my affiliate link of this camera. I can then go ahead and grab that link. I'll now go back to Canva, paste in this link, and click Enter. That should then have added the link. Now we can just check this. If you go to Share and then go to Download, I'm going to go ahead and download it as the PDF standard. Then click Download. Now let's open up this PDF file. And here, if we scroll down, you can see we've got our link. If we click on it, it will then redirect to Amazon. So that's basically how you can add a clickable link or button to your Canva designs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.